Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy F34 and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration settings. Begin by going into Devices Settings and tapping on Sounds and Vibration right away. Then click on Vibrate at the top. And this way mute your device completely, leaving only vibrations. You can also click on Sound next to it. And thanks to this switcher next to Vibrate while ringing, enable or disable incoming calls vibrations. When you're done, scroll down. Click on Call Vibration and Notification Vibration and select the best vibration pattern for your incoming calls and notifications. Just click on the best one and go back. If you don't want to do that, you can always select Silent instead. Now click on System Vibration. Adjust vibration intensity for your system by swiping left or right on this slider. And also tap on all of those switchers next to all of those features to enable or disable haptic feedback for them. When you're ready, go back. And if you want to click on vibration intensity to access the same slider as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!